Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. For today's video, we're going to be making a princess mimosa, and we're also going to be reviewing or talking about a limited edition item. I am in a different location. I'm in my dining area, so that explains the background. It also explains why my princess is here. It goes with the theme of the video. So before I do jump into our mimosa for today, I do want to go ahead and give my quick disclaimer that I am at least 21 years of age, and of course, if you are not at least 21 years of age, I do not recommend that you drink alcohol or consume alcohol, whatever. All right, moving on. So for today's mimosa, we're going to be using a sparkling rosé, which that's the one I'm using. Again, I got this one at Aldi's. And then we're going to be using watermelon pucker. And then we are going to be using a little bit of sweet and sour mix. And this one is going to taste like a pink starburst, I guess. So let me go ahead and open this. I hate opening champagne bottles because I hate the pop. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up about 3/4 of the way. Like that. That's pretty. I would drink this like this because it's pretty. This one isn't, it's not, I don't know, it tastes a little weird. It tastes kind of like beer, actually. But I've had rosés that don't. I mean, it's okay, I guess. And then I have my little shot thingy, shot measure thingy. So we're going to do 1 ounce. So pour that in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there, and then I'm going to use the 1/2 ounce side now. So 1.5 ounces, a regular shot, I guess. That's what we're going for. And watermelon pucker is more of a like sweet liqueur, sweet and sour snaps. All right, perfect. So now it's even more pink. It's a really pretty pink. And I've made shots before like this, so that's where I got the idea from. A lot of the times I get my mimosa ideas from Pinterest, and then I just enhance them, if you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna take like just a dash of the sweet and sour, like, I guess I'll fill up the cap and pour. And there you go. That's our mimosa for today. Wouldn't recommend drinking too many of these because they are pretty sweet. So these are for your light mimosa day. You don't need too much, but you need a little. So moving on to our limited edition review makeup product thing. So I go into Ulta and I start to freak out because I see these, and they're just so beautiful. And right now, I am Catholic, so right now we're in the whole Lent thing, and the one thing that I gave up was buying makeup. So my husband actually bought me these. Well, I gave up buying beauty products in general. So my husband actually gifted me with these for Valentine's Day. He heard me talking about them and how much I wanted them and how beautiful they are. They are from Real Techniques. They come in a set, and then they do sell them individually. I think the only one that I don't have is the kabuki brush, which I don't really care for. I don't really use kabuki brushes, but they come in like a packaging like this, which it reminds me of a unicorn kind of theme is what I think. So reminds me of like a unicorn. Sorry, my cat like jumped up on the table. But it reminds me of a unicorn kind of theme. This box is like really pretty. It tells you what the brushes are and stuff back here. The little light's reflecting on them. So I got 2 of the sets. I don't have the box to the other one because I got really excited and tore it apart. But the first set came with this brush, which is the 302. It came with the fan brush, which is the 304. And then it came with the contour brush, which is the 303. And these 2 I have used so far. So that was the first set. Oh, and it also came, I didn't bring the other part, but it also came with a diamond sponge. Isn't this the cutest little thing? I didn't even want to use it because it's so cute. It's so adorable. Like, I can't even imagine, like, I just want to put it on my vanity and look at it forever. It is so cute. And it's, I guess the concept of this was to, well, I'll go ahead and get into the concept of it in a little bit. This is Sammy, guys. It's my baby. Bye, Sammy. Okay, so we'll get into the concept of that a little bit later, but it's adorable. And then the next set, which was this one, comes with this little bag. Isn't it cute? Like this just, the whole theme reminds me of like unicorns, rainbows and stuff like that. And in like the bag was like in the back, and right here it says that bag though. They knew what they were doing. And then it came with the blending brush, which I had originally got on its own. So this is the one that came there, and then this is the one that I've been using. And then it also came with this one, which is the, so the blending brush is the 305. This one is the 300 brush. And like, look at the tips. And they're so soft, guys. They're so soft. And this one is the powder brush. And then you have this one, which is the 307. That's what that looks like. And this one is the finishing brush. And then the other single that I got was the 301. And this, I believe, was the foundation brush. But I have been using it as an overall powder brush. That's what I've been using this one for. And it works lovely. I've been using it with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Amazing. So this new line, of course, you guys know Real Techniques. Were invented by, what are they, Sam and Nick, and they also have a YouTube channel. If I can, I'll link it below. And it says that, like your latest lipstick shade, this crush isn't here to stay. It is limited edition, says it right there. Designed with Sam and Nick and inspired by the latest holographic pastels and glitter trends, it's not only pretty but powerful. And then I also saw on one of the packages that said that it was, that these were Instagrammable. So I also got like another brush because I told my husband, sponge, because I told my husband that it was too cute for me to use. So he was like, I'll buy you one to use, and then you could use the other one or keep the other one on your vanity. So yeah, I have to. It's just so pretty, guys. I don't want to use it because it's just so beautiful, but I do want to use it because it feels so soft. This texture reminds me exactly of the Beauty Blender. And like the design of it was made so that you could use each side for something different. So I think that like that was amazing. That was smart. They sold me. So the sponge, it says Brush Crush is engineered for performance but designed to be Instagrammable. Like your latest lipstick shade, this crush isn't here to stay. And that's what the packaging looks like for just the brush, or the sponge, sorry. The brush retails for $9.99. The sets both retail for $29.99. Don't forget that you can use your coupons on it. And then the single brushes, depending on which one you get, this one retailed for $12.99, I believe. And then this one was, I believe this one was $16.99. I'll go ahead and link the prices and everything down below, as well as the link to where you could find them at Ulta and the names of them and stuff. So I have been using so far, I have been using these. This is supposed to be a blush brush, contour brush, crease brush, and this one's supposed to be a foundation brush. I don't use this one for foundation. I use it, like I said, to set my foundation. I've been using it with my Laura Mercier powder. I love it. It does perfect for that. That's probably why I won't get the kabuki brush. I've never used the kabuki brush. Don't see a point in it. But I love like huge powder brushes. I love this. And then the contour brush is probably the only one that I use for its intention. No, lies. Use this one too. But this is the contour brush. I like this. I have from the Bolds collection, I have the one that is shaped like this, so perfect. Less washing of the brushes. So that's what the contour brush looks like, and it is dirty because I used it. Sorry, not sorry. Who cleans their brushes? We just buy more. Then this one is supposed to be a blush brush, which I guess you could use as a blush brush, but for me, I like to stipple my blush on. So for me, this is more of a, I use this to pack the highlighter on. That's how I use this, but you can use it for both. And then this one is the shading brush. I like them all. Like them all so much. They're beautiful. Like, I would definitely use this on camera. They knew what they were doing when they created these. Love it. I don't know I'm going to use this one for yet. I haven't decided because it's so big, but it's not, I don't know. We're going to use it. They're so soft. And the bag like fits them in here perfectly. This is so cute. Guys, if your girl has a birthday or something like that, buy this for her because it's limited edition. It's not here to stay. Look at how they all fit in there. This is just the cutest bag in the world. And then also in the set that included the diamond, it also had like this little diamond pad thing, which I forgot. But it basically, you're supposed to use it to put your foundation on and then dab it all over your face, which I think is good because a lot of times I put my foundation on my hand and then I'll start dabbing on my face, then I just have foundation hands. Not good. But yeah, so I love this collection. It's beautiful, it's affordable, and the brushes are made with the same quality. It's not made of any, like, you know, lesser quality or anything like that. Same quality, or even better than the actual, like, you know, regular. Sorry for the interruption, guys. This is Perla, my princess. She's the queen of this video right now. All right, distraction. Yeah, so I think this collection is amazing. I love it. Also the glitter, let me just, because I know you guys see the glitter. The glitter is like sealed so it doesn't get everywhere. So you see me like rubbing against it, like I don't have glitter on my hands from the brush. So that's awesome. These are like quality brushes. Love Real Techniques. This is why I love Real Techniques. I always love Real Techniques. But yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this edition of Mimosa Sunday. I hope that you guys liked my video. I hope that you subscribe, or please subscribe if you haven't already. Why not? Thumbs up my video. Leave me a comment in the comments below. And then I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye, guys.